What's the meaning of cold fusion? Cold fusion. Cold fusion.
Cold fusion. Cold fusion. Cold fusion refers to a proposed type of nuclear reaction that occurs at or near room temperature. It is also known as low-energy nuclear reaction, LENR, or chemically assisted nuclear reaction, CNR. The idea of cold fusion was first proposed in the late 1980s, but it has been controversial and highly debated. Despite some claims of successful experiments, there is currently no widely accepted scientific evidence to support the existence of cold fusion reactions. As such, cold fusion remains a topic of ongoing research and fascination for many scientists and enthusiasts.